Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect PayPal with the Mercari app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and pay for items using your PayPal account. How do you actually go ahead and connect PayPal with the Mercari app? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Mercari app. Next, click on Profile on the bottom right-hand corner. Then click on Settings on the bottom hand side. Next, click on My Payment Methods. Then click on PayPal. Now, it's going to go ahead and actually prompt you to log into your PayPal. So once you select PayPal, the next time you go ahead and pay for an item, PayPal will be the option to go ahead and choose. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect PayPal with the Mercari app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.